welcome to Similar Movies database. Today we are sharing the list of the best movies like Watchmen, Man of Steel. With the imminent destruction of Krypton, their home planet, Jor-El and his wife seek to preserve their race by sending their infant son to Earth. The child spacecraft lands at the farm of Jonathan and Martha Kent, who name him Clark and raise him as their own son. Without his extraordinary abilities, to the adult Clark, living on the fringe of society, he finds he must become a hero to save those he loves from a dire threat. The Avengers. When Thor's evil brother Loki gains access to the unlimited power of the energy cube called the Tesseract, Nick Fury, director of S.H.I.E.L.D., initiates a superhero recruitment effort to defeat the unprecedented threat to Earth. Joining Fury's dream team are Iron Man, Captain America, the Hulk, Thor, the Black Widow, and Hawkeye. The Dark Knight Rises. It has been 8 years since Batman, in collusion with Commissioner Gordon, vanished into the night. Assuming responsibility for the death of Harvey Dent, Batman sacrificed everything for what he and Gordon hoped would be together the greater good. However, the arrival of cunning cat burglar and merciless terrorist named Bane forced Batman out of exile and into a battle he may not be able to win. Iron Man 2. With the world now aware that to be Iron Man, millionaire inventor Tony Stark faced pressure from all sides to share his technology with the military, he is reluctant to divulge the secrets of his armored suite, fearing the information will fall into wrong hands. With Pepper Potts and Rhodey Rhodes by his side, Tony must forge new alliances and confront a powerful new enemy. The Dark Knight. When the help of allies Lieutenant Jim Gordon and Harvey Dent, Batman has been able to keep it tight, like the crime in Gotham City, but when a vile young criminal calling himself the Joker suddenly throws the town into chaos, the Caped Crusader begins to tread a fine line between heroism and vigilantism. 300. In 418 BC, a state of war exists between Persia, led by King Xerxes, and Greece. At the Battle of Thermopylae, Leonidas, king of the Greek city in the Sparta, leads his badly outnumbered warriors against the massive Persian army. Sought certain death awaits the Spartans, their sacrifice inspires of all of Greece to unite against their common enemy. Batman Begins. A young Bruce Wayne travels to the Far East, where he is trained in the martial arts by Henry Ducard, a member of the mysterious League of Shadows. When Ducard reveals the League's true purpose, the complete destruction of Gotham City, Wayne returns to Gotham, intent on cleaning up the city without rescuing to murder. With the help of Alfred, his loyal butler, and Lucius Fox, a tense expert of Wayne Enterprise, Batman is born. X-Men. They are children of the Atom, Homo superior, the next link in the chain of evolution. Each was born with a unique genetic mutation, which at puberty manifested himself in extraordinary powers. In a world filled with hate and prejudice, they are feared by those who cannot accept their differences. Led by Xavier, the X-Men fight to protect a world that fears them. They are locked in a battle with former colleague and friend, Magneto, who believes humans and mutants should never coexist. Are there any we missed? Let us know in the comments.